Monday. Let's see what's going on in the shop here today. It's a busy day. Love it. Chris is on the CUDA getting it ready to start. Ain't that right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bruce is over there. He's on the ladder. He's trying to get higher up in life. Isn't that right, Bruce? You know, you're on that ladder. You're not far reach from your roofers. Did your roofers show up over at your house? Didn't quite make it. Okay, well. So Chris is getting close to getting this started up. We're going to hopefully have it running maybe today, if not tomorrow. We got the deck lid on it here this morning. So what's happening there. We just got to get a couple battery cables in this bad boy and some gas. Oh, gas. I guess we need gas, don't we?
Yeah, we might need that.
Huh. Okay, well. There'll be somebody's... Hey?
Can you put some oil in it today?
Yeah. Well, we'll take some gas from one of the neighbors' cars. That's it. Like I say, Bruce is working on the 80 Chev pickup cab. Right there, he's getting her all ready. He's doing his magic work. Everything's good there. And that cab is what's going on this frame right here. That's what that frame is for that 80 Chev cab. And then we had to do some renovating in the driveway here this morning. So these guys were here before I was even here. God damn, I had to get up early this morning. Look at them. Sam's Bobcat. That's the way to go. Remember that. Sam's Bobcat. There's the logo right there. Look at this. How can you get a cooler logo than that or what? These guys know what's going on. We just had a little bit of drainage issues, so they're fixing that up for me. Now we come around the back over here. Now I'll be doing another little how-to video on this, but I'll just show you quickly. This is what I'm on today. I'm on this right here. I'm bracing her up inside. I'm bracing her up, if you can see, all across in the back here. So the bracing, I braced it up underneath. You can't really tell, but it's up underneath there because I'm cutting this whole floor pan out of this son of a bitch. It's going. Get it out. Get it out of my way. We got to get this car done, man. We need the room. We're going to chop and have her all finished up hopefully today. Get that floor out of there today. Chris and I also, besides getting the CUDA running, we're going to get the truck cab that you remember right in here where Sean is. We're going to get this truck cab mounted on the frame today. Oh, he's growing over there. There's the man. He's mixing Bondo and smoking a cigarette at once. That's the answer right there, folks. What are those, Camels, or what kind of cigarettes are those? Fillmore's? Yeah. Oh, those are good, I bet. So there we are. There's that cab's getting mounted today on the frame also. Sean is working on these fenders. If you remember the 56 Chevy pickup, the Pro Street one, the gentleman took the cab home for now just to get it out of the way, but we're onto the box, and Sean's working on the fenders. So you can see, even though they're new fenders, aftermarket new, nothing aftermarket is ever straight. You know, you can't, it always looks good, but it's not. And that's what's going on there. We're doing that. And what else is going on? There's the tailgate for my truck for Big Red. That's happening today too. We got Jared coming over here today, and there's my box right there. My box is going in the shop today, and we're painting my box tonight for Big Red. Oh yeah, right? Monday's a crazy day. And there's the floor pan for the Camaro. Oh yeah, we're just, we're motoring here today. We're not slowing down at all. So I'll go take you over here. You remember, this is what's happening here. This is the frame that Chris and I are going to mount that cab on today. Now you're probably thinking, holy shit, Rick, how late you guys working today? We're going to have all this done, finished, except for my truck box by 4 p.m. today. Cab will be mounted on here, solid. Vehicles rotated out of the shop so we can get this in there. Driveway is going to be done within an hour because Sam's Bobcat is just that damn good. You know, we nothing but the best people around here at OTG. I call in the best, man. There's no shortage. Here, we'll take a look. Oh, the CUDA's up in the air. Let's take a look at the CUDA underneath. Let's see here. It's fancy exhaust. Chris had to adapt the exhaust to make it fit the new headers. Good job. Look at that. Looks awesome. It's got the Hotchkiss suspension kit underneath it. I don't know what else to tell you. New gas tank. Everything is new on this. The gas tank's new. Oh, MagnaFlow. MagnaFlow exhaust under there. Okay, well, it sounded good when it ran before. It sounds real good, yeah. Sounds okay for a Dodge.
Yeah. Chev.
No, it ain't no small block Chev. So I'm recently going to purchase a Cuda, like a 71, and I'm going to put a small block Chev in it. Probably just lost half my subscribers right there. And I'm only messing with you. So that's it. That's what's going on today. Bruce is still on the ladder trying to get higher up in life. The raccoons are going to do your roof. So see, yeah. See, Bruce hired these roofer guys to come over and do his roof, and it's been 2 months. 2 months, and they don't show up, but every week he phones them and they say they're coming next week. So see, that's not very good. But here at Old Time Garage, we tell you bring it on down now and we'll keep on working. So with that being said, remember, it's always good time at Old Time. We'll see you next time. Big thumbs up.